Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to delete Hinge account from a mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your Hinge mobile application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. From the main homepage of Hinge account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now, scroll all the way down and tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll down and at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see an option that says Delete Account. Give it a tap and choose between Pause Account or Delete Account. If you want to temporarily pause your account so that you can use it later on, tap on Pause Account button. If you'd like to delete your account since you no longer want to use it anymore, tap on Delete Account. Confirm your account deletion by tapping on Confirm Delete one more time, and that way your Hinge dating account will be deleted. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.